Hey everyone, I'm Helen. Welcome to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick unboxing, sort of first impression discussion with you guys because I don't want you to have to wait for 4 weeks. I did mention on my Instagram and here on the YouTube community, or I think actually I made a short about it, that I'm going to be trying Virtue Flourish's hair rejuvenation treatment. This is for thinning hair. I've got the 100% drug-free set that comes with a shampoo, comes with a conditioner, and comes with a scalp serum. This is a 1-month supply from mild to moderate thinning. So let's just unbox her and see what's inside. I've already unboxed this, so I'm not gonna be going like, oh, or anything, anything like that. This is the shampoo that's 1 month worth. This is the little conditioner that comes with it. Again, 1 month worth. That's gonna be more than a month for me. I can feel there's quite a bit of conditioner in here. And then the scalp serum, density booster. It's called Stimulates, Strengthens, and Thickens. So we are on our way. I've already given this one wash, so I'll just quickly speak to that and maybe just give you a few sort of little tips, maybe just because what I'm trying to do really here is like prevent you from buying this if it's not gonna work for your hair, or maybe encourage you to buy it if you think that, yeah, that's absolutely what you want, even though I don't have the results of like whether it's gonna help with my hair growth, hair regrowth. Don't know, can't speak to that yet, obviously. I'm gonna be giving it the full try though, so let's just see quickly what it says. It says that basically you're gonna get new hair in 12 to 16 weeks, which incidentally is about the amount of time it takes for Rogaine and or minoxidil to start working, and they do have a version where they sell minoxidil, but that is not sold here in Canada. You can only get the drug-free version. This stuff costs a fortune. Where I live, this is only available, I think, at Holt Renfrew, which is our highest end luxury department store, and it is the most expensive shampoo that I've ever tried. So I looked high and low to get a more affordable one, and now I'm obviously doing this just the 1 month supply, because if I hate it, I ain't buying the big bottles. And I'm really trying to get away from buying full bottles and then like returning them, because I don't know if you know this, at Sephora, any product you return, just they have to squeeze it out and basically break it so that it cannot be resold, which kind of breaks my heart a little bit with all the things that the world is going through. I just don't feel like a good use of resources is tossing a full shampoo bottle back. So I know I've given that piece of advice, buy from somewhere you can return, but I'm starting to maybe rethink that a little bit and just say maybe buy trial sizes, because if I don't like this, I'll just pass it on to maybe somebody that I know that might like it. Anyway, okay, make sure that you like this video if you can, and subscribe if you're just like on the fence. Don't forget that if you don't subscribe, you might not see me do the full review on this, and I think that you might want to stay tuned for that. It won't be coming out for a few weeks, but I will get it to you as quickly as I can. As soon as I feel like a reasonable amount of time and I've used up most of these has elapsed, I will be back on here to do the full shebang. Let's just talk about the shampoo and the conditioner. Okay. They're fine so far. They are quite drying. So if your hair's already quite dry, maybe damaged, not sure that this is going to be the one for you. You know what's a really good dupe for this? It's Viviscal's shampoo and conditioner, which is available at the drugstore. Costs a heck of a lot less than this and does pretty much the same thing in terms of how it makes your hair feel and the volume that it gives you, and the fact that it clarifies your scalp quite well. Viviscal, you may know about the supplements that are for thinning hair. They make a shampoo and conditioner as well. The scent of those is much, much better than these. These are not bad by any means. They're just kind of got this like pretty bland floral botanical kind of smell. Doesn't really linger from the one time that I've used it. The scalp spray, let's use her now. I've not put some on. I'm just kind of concentrating here, sort of more in my front of my hairline here, which I'm finding is thinning more as I get older, and I don't use Rogaine up here, so I think that this could be a good area to test it in. Sprays out nicely. Has a nice scent. It has that sort of or almost herbal kind of scent that you often smell in these kind of products, to be honest. I tried Spoiled Child's. They make a serum that I was trying out. It was actually part of their campaign, even though it was never sort of like shown on their website or anything like that, but I was part of their campaign to try this one out, and it smells almost exactly like that. And I don't think that that one, I think they're probably around the same price. I'm not sure if this is going to be more effective or not, but we're giving it a good, we're going to give it a good try, and I'm going to just massage this in. This has a tackiness to it, so I just wanted to make you aware of that. The tackiness does dry down and it becomes eventually not too sticky, but it does have a kind of a gummy feel, and if that's like a sensory textural type issue for you, maybe you don't want to use this. I don't know. I don't really have a fully formed opinion. Just first thoughts are that it is kind of drying and that Viviscal is really a great shampoo and conditioner dupe for this. Viviscal also makes a serum, so maybe you want to dip into that as well. But I cannot speak to how this is going to work over the weeks. I'm going to keep on track of it. This says it's got something called alpha keratin in it. And it does show keratin as one of the leading ingredients. Definitely nothing wrong with it. I just don't know right now. And I want to give it a fair shake, but I did want to just hop on and just give you some of the basics about this so you know what to expect when I pop back on here in a few weeks talking about how it works overall on my hair and thoughts about it. But no irritation, nothing like that so far. Just a bit drying. Okay, we'll see you on the next video. Make sure you subscribe, like, and if you want to, leave me a comment, even an emoji would be helpful. Okay, bye-bye.